Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are gonna be unboxing. Every unboxing I have a new knife. Oh my god, look at this. It's so thin. Like really thin. Look at this, how thin it is compared to iPhone 11 Pro Max. And this is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Look at the difference. Like, you have two phones in this here. So I feel like I don't want to open it. Let's open it. Oh my god, I'm so excited about this phone. So good. It's so good. I'm so happy. Oh my god, I can't. I don't know why I'm so excited about it. I really like it. Look at this. It's so nice. This is way better from the last everything. It's kind of heavy. And let's turn it on. Oh my goodness. It's on. So we are gonna set it up right now. So this one, while that one is turning on, it says hello, hello, hello. And of course, this one comes with the little bit manual. They have these Apple stickers, and they have this for the SIM card. And then only comes with the cable, as you guys know already if you did your research. So we have to get our adapter, which I have a lot of adapter. I still have my adapter with my old iPhone 11 Pro Max, so we are going to be using that one instead. And also we have a lot of old adapter from our old iPhone, so we are going to be using, so which is, that's fine. It's really good. We'll see, and we're going to compare. Transfer my stuff. Cancel.
Denied.
Yeah, I'm happy again. So let's set up the Face ID now. It's not letting me. There, done. So continue. Setting up.
Here I am with a movie started, facing at a photo they've taken. Space tree flying through the skies and petals happen everywhere.
Hey you guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I'm gonna be making another video after this just to compare the iPhone 11 Pro Max and the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and I am just gonna enjoy the phone right now. I'm so happy about it. I hope if you ordered the same time as me, which is November 6th, when this one comes available for pre-order, yeah, I hope you get it today. It arrived on time. Actually today I was so happy about it. I was been waiting all day for this, and it did arrive. So please don't forget to leave me a comment below, and I hope to see you again next time. Mwah.